wearing a skin-colored black shirt.
User joined your channel.
Yeah, Zabin's gonna fix it so it restarts on schedule.
Okay.
And what about heli spawns and that? Like they've stopped spawning every restart now for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck the wheel.
But that was ever since I. Sorry.
User joined your channel.
They also
Guys.
don't respawn if they're badly damaged. Like there's a little bird that's been sitting up past northwest with red everything and it hasn't respawned for like
What
a couple
the
of
fuck?
days.
Bazoop? What just happened? Wesky, I need you to get on admin tools right now if you can, man.
Why?
I need you to check what's happening up at Gavosno.
I don't know.
Well, find
Well,
out.
Barzoop and I0 were just killed.